AHFF, we got a new dishwasher.
Yo!
So we're here where we're installing the dishwasher, but we noticed that the rats that had been here before had just completely infested it. So we've got to pull all this stuff out. That's unbelievable. This is so bad. This would be if this was a restaurant, it would be condemned.
You think?
Yeah, I think.
There's none in here still, right? They're gone?
Oh yeah, all the rats are gone. Wow. I think there was just one.